We're here tonight at Bailey's Elementary School in Falls Church, and we are here as part of a dialogue series on reimagining community here in the Bailey's and Culmore communities. You will see some very real depictions of what youth in our community envision a community of hope looking like, and while also having the opportunity in some of the art here to visualize some of the challenges that they face in their life. And so that sort of genuine sharing really prompts genuine dialogue around what we can do to support one another and to build a better community for us here. Based on the dialogues previously held at the mosque and at James Lee Community Center, the students put together a poem entitled Community, which they will be reciting in English, Spanish, and Vietnamese. NCS and Mason District Police Department have a very long-standing partnership, and we have worked together on an initiative called the Annandale Roundtable. And through that effort, the Annandale Roundtable decided that they wanted to adopt a youth art-led initiative. So that brought us together. One of the former police officers from Mason District Station, Officer Kathleen O'Leary, was a former art student at George Mason University. And so she connected our organization with them, and we ended up with this outstanding partnership between the county, the police department, and the George Mason University School of Art.
We are all in this together. We're all going to move forward together to success and to the future. And this is where it's starting.
So after this evening, we plan on housing the exhibit at the James Lee Community Center, which is also one of the Neighborhood and Community Services community centers located on Annandale Road in Falls Church. And then our hope is that it can spark similar sorts of initiatives across the county.